Okay guys, so first of all, let me say I did not want to get on video today. I've been working out in the garden all day. I'm filthy, I'm sweaty, I have no makeup on, and definitely don't want to scare none of y'all away, but I do want to go ahead and do my Ipsy review. So anyways, I decided to come out and do this, and don't mind the hands. My hands are filthy. Like I've said, I've been working outside all day today. Well, first of all, I want to start with this mask. This is BioBell, and it is Botanic Fiber Perfect Radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. First of all, let me tell you, it smells great, and it does leave your skin with a little bit of a radiant finish. I really like the mask. That is one of my favorite things getting in Ipsy is their masks, the different ones that I've received. This is one of the best ones that I've got. And they did send two, so I thought that was really great, which every time they send a mask, they usually send two anyways, but I do love the mask. Now, and I do have this little thing right here, just so y'all can see the products a little bit better, because I'm just sitting in the backyard. So, I mean, the neighbors probably think I'm going nuts. But like I said, I would probably scare y'all off if y'all see me right now. I'm telling you. Okay, next, you know what? I didn't even talk about the bag. The bag is the one that I wanted. I did want this red and pink bag. And another thing, guys, something exciting. I did go ahead and get another Ipsy for this month. I wanted to see if I got kind of the same products. I didn't change anything on my profile. So I kind of want to see if I get exactly what I got this time. And it should be here on the 21st, so be expecting another unbagging, another review. So I'm so excited about that. The bag I did like. I absolutely love it, and red is the one that I wanted. The next thing that I got right here is the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Step 1 Skin Equalizer. And of course y'all cannot see it that good because the lighting is not good to us out here. Anyways, this is a base, it says base hydrant. It is a face primer, and this I actually like too. So this was, I love when they send primers, and I know I say that about everything, but this primer is absolutely gorgeous. It leaves a gorgeous finish. I'm trying to move y'all where you could see the products better. And of course it ain't going to work, but we are doing the best that we can. So the primer, I did like it, and it does leave a slight luminous finish, so I did like that. It wasn't completely matte, but it wasn't like greasy looking. Do you know some of those primers that we get, and it's supposed to be a hydrating primer, but it just leaves your skin looking so greasy? This one didn't do it. I thought it was that perfect medium. Guys, the next thing that I got was this. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. This I did love. I absolutely love Pixi products. The only thing that I've got from Pixi that I didn't like was a blush duo. It was a blush highlighter duo that I got. And I really liked the highlighter, but the blush was just a little bit too illuminating, if you know what I mean. It's, you know, the highlighter, it was really pretty, left like a wet look, like one of the wet highlighter looks, which I absolutely loved. This Pixi is a toner, and it is sort of in oil form. It's not too oily where it's just greasy to death, but it does leave a radiance after you use it, which of course you use this before your lotion. But this is one of the products I did like this, so I was happy that they sent me something like that because I have not tried that Glow Tonic. This is the Luxy Small Shader Brush, the 245 brush. Now, I feel like I've just got just about every Luxy brush that there is. I mean, you know, I'm exaggerating here. I mean, come on, I don't own every one of them. But Ipsy has sent me a lot of them, and I absolutely love these brushes. I haven't had any problems with any fallout from them. And they, you know, when you first get brushes, they're really soft, except for these eyeshadow brushes. But on the face brushes, they put some kind of chemical on them when they are brand new that makes them feel really soft, and they end up getting really hard after you use them a time or two, or especially after you wash them. But I've never had a problem with these Luxy brushes. And this one I absolutely love. Now, what I use this for is to apply a shimmer shadow to the lid. This works absolutely perfect, and it performs beautifully, so I do love the brush going. And this is the one that I had a problem with, guys. This is the Doshe, I think, Doshe. I'm probably butchering that. The Luscious Lip Stain, and I got mine in Holiday Getaway. Now, in the tube, it looks like a beautiful nude peachy mauve. When you put it on, it's a really strong, loud color, and I'm really not used to wearing that. And I will put in a swatch so you could see it. I'm not exactly sure how good it's going to look on camera, but it does dry completely matte. I think it wears really well. Now, it did wear off after a couple of hours, but other than that, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful formula. But the color is just a little bit too loud for me. I'm not used to wearing a color that loud, but other than that, I did like it, except for the color. So this is one item, an Ipsy bag, that I was kind of disappointed with just because of the color. Because in the tube, I thought it was going to be a nice peachy nude shade, but of course it was really loud. So I will insert swatches so y'all could see that. But other than that, guys, Ipsy was pretty good this month. I really did enjoy everything that I got except for the lippy. But, I mean, you can't get every single thing that you want from Ipsy, so I do understand that. And for $10 a month, I think it's totally worth it. And not to mention, they are linked below if you do want to go check them out. And again, around the 21st is when I'm supposed to be getting my other Ipsy bag. So there will be another unbagging. There will be, well, I'm not going to do a review if it's the same exact products, but if not, it's going to be another review. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be on camera sometime this week when I have time to sit down and do my makeup, because working in the garden, it just takes it out of me. And you know, I'm one of those people, I gotta have a garden, and before it got too hot is when I wanted to have everything planted and everything, and I gotta keep coming out here and checking on stuff just to make sure everything's good. And I'm more of an outdoors person, so I'm usually always outside. But guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.